And we're back. How you doing, everybody? It's Bruce here with Stock Markets with Bruce. Welcome to the last hour of the day today. Believe it or not, this truly should be the last hour of the day. I don't think I'm on an hour early. I think I really am on with an hour to go. I'm pretty sure. Welcome one, welcome all to the show. We seem to be holding most of these gains that we were watching this morning. The Dow is still up 507 points. It was higher, but it is holding a majority of this. We'll see how it handles the rest of the day. 578 actually. We're up 578 now. Up 70 on S&P. We're up 250 on Nasdaq. So all three markets are up about 1.5 to 1.6 to 1.75%. Oil has recovered 90 cents only from this morning. That's all. And we'll see how it goes. GameStop dropped to 181 after I last saw you. It got off to 186, dropped to 181, but now it's back to 186 again. And there you have it. We have Going Postal here as a new member. Welcome, Going Postal. How you doing? Nice to see you. Hoping that we don't have a repeat of what happened this morning. We're going to watch this closely. We're Going Postal. Nice to see you, buddy. Hope all's well. We'll see what's happening. Never a dull moment around here. Yes, 185.89 on the GameStop at this moment in time. Having a very good day. No complaints. We've got this. Yesterday it was a winner. It's a winner today. The stock is a winner 2 days in a row. I'm very happy about this. I'm showing SoFi only up 2 cents. I'm showing GameStop up 12.51 today. 186 right now. 186.30 is the high of the day. Volume on GameStop, even with this volume, this movement, 2.1 million. No volume. No volume at all. No heavy volume at all. So we were as low as yesterday, 160 something. We're now low today, 172. We're 186 now, 186.39, new high of the day on 2.1 million. That's it. Very quiet. ATIP down 15 cents at 766. We just came off the low of 746 about 30 minutes ago, and it's just come up 20 cents and is coming straight up right now. But all day long, the stock was trying to hit around 770 to 780, and then it dropped off a little while ago, and here we are again. We've got AMC up $5, 39.66, pushing the high today, trying to get to 40. Gore's still up 7 cents to 13.32. We got 23andMe down 7 cents after cratering at 9.21. It's now 9.48. And did just go positive 20 minutes ago, dipped below just a little. We'll see if it does a rally and comes again to another positive number. Can it come back into the positive territory? Fifth wall meandered, and then in the last hour has been moving up. It's now up 23 cents to 11.25. VACQ went down, broke even for a few hours, went down again, and now it's coming back a tad, but still down 12 cents. Very little trading range, nothing much of a trading range. NavSite down a penny, Starboard down a penny. Both are flatlining right here. IBM is driving everybody crazy. IBM had a big, wonderful start to the day. It was as high as 144.92 this morning. Looking really good, up $6 a share, making everybody feel great about themselves. Then it did this long slide from 10:15 until about 35, 40 minutes ago, an hour ago. Went all the way down to 138.70, dropped $6+ from the high to its low. And now from 138.70, it's now 140.34. So it's back up $1.60. But unfortunately, it's up 240 on the day, but it was up 6 something this morning, kind of driving us crazy. We'll see what happens here. 140.31 up 239 a share. The numbers are good. The analysts are saying great, fantastic, strongest numbers in 3 years. Company's great, fabulous, wonderful. But it's given up $4 from the high of the day. There it is. The Dow still holding 588 points to the upside. And so IBM has been helped by the Dow, or it's helping the Dow. Microsoft up 347. That's near the high of the day. Apple is just off the high today at 405 on the gain. Tesla's at the high of its day, 840. Bed Bath & Beyond up $1.66 to $28.80. BlackBerry up 77 to $10.64. Even those shares have gone up. The cruise shares are all higher today. They are reacting to yesterday's sell-off, although how much staying power they'll have, that I don't know. Amazon up $41, Facebook up $6, Google up $50 at the moment. JP Morgan up $2.87. Goldman Sachs up $10, was higher. It's at 364. It says a high today as 367, so it was up $12 today. Very good day on Goldman, but it still trades at only 6.7 times earnings. This thing is half price. It's minimum half price. It's absolutely way down there. So long-term contracts are a good idea on Goldman. Disney's up $4, getting a bit of a help here. American Airlines up $1.49 to $20.46. Moderna down $14. Has had a good run lately, though. Where else? Micron up $1.19. Intel up 84 cents. And that is kind of what we're watching here. The main characters, the main culprits. Our usual suspect, GameStop, 186.45. Around the high of the day, right now, touching 186.88 a few moments ago. 12.96 on very, very little volume, just barely over 2 million shares. SoFi up 3 cents. Would be so nice if SoFi would to take a shot, but it's not happening yet. ATIP down 20. AMC up 4.97 to 39.59. And we got Gores up 8 cents and 23andMe down 9. Fifth Wall up 23. So mixed bag here as we are watching this last hour of the day go through. We got 54 minutes to go, and that's where we're at. Thank you, everybody. Appreciate those of you who are here saying hi to me. Thank you for thumbs ups for my live show, and nice to see you all. Nice to see you all here this morning and this afternoon. Fantastic. An interesting yo-yo kind of a day. Big recovery on the Dow. Interest rates have come back up a little bit. Like as far as the 10-year Treasury note, its yield has come back up a bit, but it's not back to where it was. And that's interesting. Oil has not come back to where it was either, where other stocks have come back to where they were stocks. Interesting how this is shifting and shading about. Reality, though, is you can't make any money in the bond market. I mean, you buy a 10-year Treasury and they pay you 1.2% interest. Inflation is 3 to 4%. You're losing money. Why would you do that? You're better off buying a stock with a higher yield. You can count on stocks like IBM and Goldman Sachs and Walmart and other. I mean, you can count on these companies to pay dividends. They'll outdo the 10-year all day long, no problem at all. Interest rates are artificially being kept low by the Fed, and the Fed is flooding the market with money, the banking system with money to jumpstart the economy. So stocks have no trouble whatsoever to beat out the 10-year Treasury. If you are looking for returns in the 10-year Treasury, you're a loser. You're looking to lose money. And, right now, 1.2%, there is no money to be made there. 600-point gain now on the Dow, 602. GameStop, 186.60, up $13, 13.10. It's coming on to another high of the day. This stock has been inching higher penny by penny, dime by dime, all day long. It has pretty well been on a consistent run with a little dip in the middle of the day and then just a consistent run back up. Quite surprising and quite lovely to see. Very, very nice gain on GameStop. No announcement, no news, no developments, no nothing. It is just going higher, and that's it. That's all it's doing. It's just going higher. Okay, there you have it. GameStop, what a winner. Winner without a reason, but we'll take it. We'll take it. Oversold probably was. 186.25, 186.75, approaching the high of the day right now, trying to bust into a new high at 187. Might touch 190 today if it keeps up this pattern. It is definitely moving up. At 13.26 is the gain now on GameStop. 15.19 on SoFi. It's had a nice run back up to this level, but the range all day is 30-odd cents. It hasn't really moved up very much. And at 15.19, we're up 2 pennies. That's all we're up on the SoFi. Even with a 600-point Dow gain, SoFi is not going higher with the market. ATIP still down 18 cents. Not joining the market either, unfortunately. Low of 746, now 762. ATIP. AMC now 39.61, up $4.99. Did touch 39.92. It's just 31 cents behind that all-time high of the day. Hasn't breached 40 in a while. We haven't seen 40. We did see 40 in the last couple of weeks, but it's been since about the 12th or 13th. So about 8 days ago, it came from there and went down badly to the 32 neighborhood. Now we're back to this 40. If we can break out of 40, maybe it has an escape velocity there, but I don't know. Even in the last month, the high of this stock in the last 30 days, 59.47 has been the last month's high, $20 higher than where we are now for AMC. That's how far down the stock has come in the last month. It's really taken a beating. 39.54 right now on AMC. 187.06 on GameStop, new high. Breaking through 187 like a hot knife through soft butter. Just went right through it. 187.16 was the high trade on GameStop. Volume on GameStop right now, 2.17 million. There is not a lot. There's no stock. There's no stock for sale anywhere. There's just no stock. $13.50. There's no stock for sale. And so 2.1 million quiet buying, steady buying, systematic, just regular buy. It's going higher. Just going higher. Kind of interesting to see how that is behaving right now. All right. Gore's down 4 cents now. 23andMe down 9. Fifth Wall up 23. Gore's today had their shareholder meeting, and Matterport has taken over the company, and now the final documentation is being signed and registered and filed and all that stuff. The next day or two, I would imagine, the shares of Gore's will change to Matterport. The stock symbol will change in your accounts, on our phones, all the symbols, and Matterport will be the new name of this company, and we will be listening to Matterport management. Quite looking forward to see what's going on. Let's see. Nicholas, you got a point there. SoFi's hovering around 15 like this for 3 days before it shot up last time. Kind of hung around here and then it took off. Let's see what happened. How does buying and selling fractional shares affect volume? It doesn't. Fractional shares don't trade on the exchange. They trade off market. They trade through trading platforms, and when 100 shares are gathered up on each side, then a trade is made. It's all done by computers. It's all done by nanoseconds, and because of the volume of transactions on some of these stocks, hundreds of shares are assembled on each side of the market constantly by fractional players. And it's like every second or so, another 100 shares go through all the time, especially on these higher trading, big cap market stocks. So it doesn't really, sure, if a million people came in with a half a share each to sell at this minute in time, right now, they'd affect the market. Yeah, 500,000 shares of selling would come in for sure. But doesn't work that way. It generally doesn't work that way. I bought 11 yesterday. Good job, me on GameStop. Right on. Well done. 187.31. You're getting richer. New high right now. 187.31. Higher again. New high. How about that? Why is this thing tanking? It's down 12 cents. It's not tanking. Anti-PC is going, wow. Hello all from Big Bear. Hello from John Anderson. Let's see. I'm the 74th thumbs up. All trolls, before you go, hit the thumbs up. Woohoo, thank you. GameStop new high, 187.02, 187.31 was the new high just a moment or so ago. Amazing day. Very good day yesterday. Good day today. Very, very, very interesting. Let's see here. Here we go. Catch up with all your comments. Thank you. That was easy. Yes. Let's see. I buy my first call on ATIP, and within days it's pushing new lows. Oh no. Well, you're in on the ground floor. Don't worry. Just stand by. It's gonna be fine. Let's see. Let's go here. SoFi is making me angry, says Nanette. Bought more and it's still down. It's time, SoFi. I'm in. My money's in. And now you have to go up. As soon as I buy, that's it. That the waiting time is over. it's time to go higher. Well, maybe the folks at SoFi will get the message here. Let's see. Matterport CEO on YouTube Bazinga today, and thinking we have finally hit support on SoFi at a roughly 15 level. About time. Something is cooking for GameStop. I'll get you momentarily, John. I have to share this first. After the transaction closes, Gore's public shareholders and sponsors will own 14.8% of Matterport, while PIPE Investment in Public will own about 10.1%. Yep, the PIPE people are putting up a whole bunch of money, hundreds of millions more. Excuse me. 187 right now. Matterport stock is set to climb after the merger deal due to the technology company's huge growth potential. Well, that's what I think too. I think that it's going to do rather well. Covered call GameStop 220 August 20 for 11.50. Do you think it's a good deal or too low of a strike? August 20th. That's about a month from now. Thinking about writing a contract for a month at 220. Exercise price for $11.50, which means you're selling at 231 between now and a month from now. You know what? It's on the surface, I say that's a good deal. At this moment in time, I'd be watching this stock closely to see just what's up. Why is it up 1350 when the Dow with the Dow up 641? That's nice. It kind of makes sense in that sense. But this stock didn't plummet yesterday. It went up yesterday. It's going up today again. Back to 187. What's up here? Theoretically, one would think it would settle back to 180 and kind of settle in a little bit. 175, 180, 85. But it sure looks good, doesn't it? But the volume is really tiny. So selling at 220 is attractive. I have to admit, it sounds really attractive. All right, let's see. Let's go. The 52% pullback in GHVI stocks has provided buying opportunities for long-term bargain investors. I don't argue with that one. IBM is getting the GS treatment of sorts. Let's see. Let's go. I think there was a huge announcement for Gores. It took 6 different notifications to fit it all in on Thinkorswim. There was an announcement apparently made on Gores. Well, let me take a look here on Gores. Let's see if I can find any kind of an update. GHVI trading up 13.21, down 4 cents. And look at the press releases here. Again, there was one made yesterday. Matterport announced a chief accounting officer from Grubhub. That was yesterday. Today, I don't see any announcements today from Matterport. Like nothing official from Gores, I should say. Gores has not said anything official anywhere I can find here. Let me take a look at SEC filings. Has anything official been filed with the SEC today? Nope, I don't have anything today either. Nope, I got nothing. So all quiet over here, unless there was some announcement somewhere else. But it surely didn't make the Dow wire, didn't make the Market Watch wire. It didn't make the press release wire. So I'm not sure what to make of it. The stock was as high as 1368 right off the bat this morning, first 30 minutes. And it kind of held in this 1350 range for a long time today until about noon. And then it began a slow, steady drop off. And it had been flatlining around 1330 or so for a few hours. Now it's down to 1320. So it's just dime, drop every little while, but quiet. The volume on Gores, 257,000. There is no trading today. It's really quiet. GameStop 187.33. That's a new high. That is trading new high territory right now. Up 13.84 on GameStop. AMC 39.86, up 5.24, trying to hit 40. And Gores down 4 cents. 23andMe down 23. ATIP down 16 cents. SoFi 15.14, down 3 cents. That's what we've got here. Okay. Here we go. Mark is saying, if you want to hear some really good news on Matterport, watch YouTube Bazinga for YouTube with RJ Pittman, CEO. He lays out all the plans for the next several years. A really good interview. I'm hoping that this is the kind of stuff he's going to do a lot of. That would be perfect. Just perfect. Let's see. What else have we got here? Okay, Marcus is asking me, hey, Uncle Bruce, I want to ask if my basic investing strategy in volatile stock makes sense. I only average down buying the dips, basically never averaging up. I know it limits the upside. No, this is a good strategy. No, there's nothing wrong with this. It's a disciplined strategy. Some investors will buy the dips when they first get into a deal. By the way, GameStop's now up 14.05. It's 187.54, new high. People will buy dips only when they get into a new position for the first time. They get into a stock, it goes down a bit, they buy more, it goes down a bit, they just keep buying as it goes down. Once it gets back to where they came in at, they're already ahead of the game. Now, some investors will buy 5 or 10% higher than that on dips. So if a stock goes up 10%, backs off to be only up 5%, they buy those dips. But others don't. They only buy dips when they're underwater and on the original price. Nothing wrong with this strategy, Marcus. It limits the upside? Well, yes and no. I suppose it limits how many shares you're going to have. It limits how much money you put into it. And so that itself might be a strategy that works. Anyway, there it is. Options trading on SPACs is very light. I agree. A new company. You're the first one in. You're new. Is it safe to be in here, says Thomas? Is that guy gone? The guy with the 43 multiple personalities. We haven't seen him yet. So glad to see one of our former SPACs, make an effort with PR. Go Matterport. Holy GameStop, is it ever going? It's 147.55, new high right now. 187.55, up 14.06. High of the day on GameStop. Dr. G, there's a rumor about GameStop split because Ryan Cohen tweeted a picture of himself with 2 chopsticks up his nose. The interpretation was that you have to split the chopsticks to use them. See? Doesn't that make perfect sense? You see that? You see? The market isn't crazy. Oh, guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? We were just asking about you. We're wondering where he was. What happened to our friend here? Oh, look, he's back. The moron is back. Well, gotta say, though, this guy is paying a lot of money to do this, I have to admit. Paying an awful lot of money to do this.
Mother obviously hasn't checked your card yet.
Yep, Mom didn't check the credit card, didn't notice the statements, didn't see the alerts coming up from the credit card company. Ma'am, have you noticed that your credit card has really gone ballistically crazy? Are you aware of that? Oh, well, what are you going to do? Let's see. What's going up right now? 187.91 up 14.46. 187.95. 188.04 like butter. Right through 188 like butter. And away we go. How about that? The GameStop is just going higher. Here we go again. Yeah. What the hell? He's back. That's it. I'm blocking him every chance I get, but he's setting up a new channel every time. So he's spending $10 to create a new channel, another new channel. 188 on the GameStop, up 14.51. What a run! The Dow up 639, climbing in the last hour, climbing higher. Very good market, up 77 points on S&P, up 274 on the Nasdaq. So it's looking good. We've got IBM right now, 268 on the upside, 140.60. Frustrating day for you folks at IBM, no question about it. The stock, I think, should be closer to 150. With these results, yeah, there should be no question it should be higher. I have to see if a bunch of analysts upgrade the stock in the next few days. That might be the thing that'll trigger it. We'll see what happens. Yeah, what can I say? We got some desperate trolls here. Confirmation that bias on GameStop's going to the moon. 187.59, high of 188.37. And the volume on GameStop, 2.2 million. No volume. SoFi unchanged, 15.17. No change. What can I say? That's where we're at right now. These trolls are great for my portfolio. Troll could save a lot of money and buy some GameStop. That's true. AMC over 40. Did it do it? Yep. 40.77 on AMC, up $6.15. Just took a shot straight up to come through the $40 resistance level. So this is the best level it's had in a while. Not in the last week has it been this high. So yeah, this is a shot back. How much more is behind it? I don't know. 130 million traded on AMC now. 40.68 right at the moment is where it's at right now. Anyway, there you have it. Marcus, thanks for answering, Uncle Bruce. I got to go to work now on my third job to make some cash for GameStop shares and Friends and family think I'm mad, but it's like the stock and I like Bruce, the bagel oracle. Thanks, buddy. You take care, man. What can I say? What did I miss, Josh? Nothing. There's nothing going on. Absolutely nothing. It was a real boring show this morning. There was nothing happening. Just real quiet times. Texas was here. Texas came in, made a donation of $100, and that was really cool. We got this guy right here. He's coming around thinking I'm bald. I don't know if I'm really bald. I might be, a little thin on the top, but I don't know if I'm bald. What can I say? But we got this guy. What can I say? He's been around this morning a little bit. Yeah, that's what's going on. The morning troll was funnier. He was more fun. Texas, I'm here now. Oh Lordy, 188.29 on GameStop, up $14.80. I think we might take a shot at 190 a share. We might go for 190 today. How about that? It was 172 this morning. 188. Now this is like the old days. This is kind of like back in March. This is fun. This is kind of fun. Kind of like seeing stocks going up like this. What can I say? Here we go. Apparently I'm bald. Apparently I'm bald. There you go. Yeah. Okay. Just in case you guys didn't get the message, if you missed it, just so you know, you might, Oh my goodness. What can I say? Yep. It is what it is. What it is. What it is. At least 40 channels have been created by this guy today. At least at $10 a shot. At least. It's quite amazing. Quite something. Anyway, here we are. Yeah, he's actually buying. He's creating channels to make postings. Then I block his future postings. So if he wants to make another posting, he has to create another channel for $10. Go through all that stuff, pay for it, then come onto the channel, make a bunch of postings. I delete them right away, and round we go. What? Bruce is bald? Well, apparently, there you don't see all the hair here. You see, you're confusing this. You think this isn't hair. You see, that's the problem. See, this actually is skin here. This is skin that's hanging off the side of my head. But anyway, don't worry about it. Let's not worry about it. Uncle B, you're making money. I am. 189 on GameStop. You're making money too. Some of you are making money today on your GameStop, and I'm really happy for you. 190 on GameStop, just popped right through 190. 190.28 on GameStop, up 16.79, right through it. Buy shorts on Bruce's hair. Here we go. Buy shorts on Bruce's hair. Thank you. Another bunch of messages to take away. How about that? 190. Hell yeah. 190. You gotta love this action. Yo. What can I say? 190.46 on GameStop right now. Volume on GameStop, 2.3 million shares. There's very little volume coming in. $190 with a high of 190.57 today. What about that? Wahoo! I like to think I have sort of Doc Brown's kind of hairstyle, but just not all white though. I don't have enough of it. But that's just me. Anyway, up 16% on 2.2 million. That's right. He can assault me for $10 a pop. This is all right. SoFi up 1 penny, 15.18 right now. GameStop 190.20, approaching the new high again. We have folks giving me thumbs ups today. I thank you. 226 thumbs ups. Appreciate that. The knee emojis are coming out too. Thank you for those. Oh yeah, here we go. Higher GameStop goes, the more knees come out. All the knees are running. GameStop 190.73, new high, knee, going higher. You gotta love it. Oh, we're having fun today. 190.95, new high on GameStop. Excuse me. 190.96. Oh yes, going for 191 now. On 2.3 million volume, and that's all she wrote. That's all there is. We've got the emojis flying up right now on the show, just to encourage the stock even higher. I'll tell you something else. It's wild. It's wacky. 191 up 17.51 on your GameStop today. I think every one of my viewers is probably richer today if you're holding GameStop, and many I know of you are. I know many of you are. How about that? Fantastic. Go, and go. AMC 42, 41.93 up 7.31. Fantastic. AMC is moving up. ATIP is down 12 cents now to 7.69. SoFi down a penny. 191.60 on the GameStop, getting ready for another pop, I think. Gore's down only 2 cents now. 23andMe down 15. Fifth Wall up 24. IBM up 229 to 140.22. Wow. The Dow up 612. That's holding its own. What can I say, guys? We are watching one heck of a run. 191.14 up 17.65 on GameStop. Yes. What can I say? 191. Wow, that's something. I'm seeing green, says Drew. How about that? Yeah. Let's see here. Yeah, yippee-ki-yay. Neat. There we go. Wally's World. Neat. John Gill. Neat. Yeah, we're going higher, baby. I picked up $200 of GameStop calls last Friday for this Friday. How about that? And Auntie, I saw 191. I did too. 191.97 or 191. Did you? I did too. I thought I did too. 191, 192 even for the high. By the way, fantastic. How much money how many dong has Spammer Boy sent us today? Been good. Yeah. Neat. Fantastic. GME, baby, we're going. AMC 42.05. 42.05 up $7.43. That's a big run up today. 138 million shares of AMC, and that's light for AMC because we were trading 500 million a day not too long ago. So how about that? Yeah, 500 today. He's probably sent us probably. I appreciate it. I need the money. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, that's right. That's true. If he did not have sent me 400, he could have bought an April 22, 15 SoFi call and actually made money. See, opportunity knocks, opportunities missed. But, what are you going to do? Yeah. Yep. Okay. What can I say? Here we go. Here you see, you sell this stuff, you can lose money. There you go. We got someone who doesn't want you to own any games. Sell your GameStop, you're gonna lose money. Them's are fighting words. I got the $50 AMC calls too. I'm a little suspicious on those though. We're at now $41.92. $10 ME calls for October are 95 cents. He could have bought loads of those. That's true. He could have bought loads of those. Man, too bad. What are you going to do? Texas, buy GameStop and you will gain money. There you go. Texas knows what he's talking about. It's right. Texas knows. Troll just upgraded Bruce's Model 3 to an S, getting Bruce into a Model S with all those channels he's picked up, all those memberships he owns now. 190.71 on GameStop, up 17.22. The Dow's up 608 points. Yeah, and here we go. Got to thank you, Uncle Bruce, says David. You got me to do more research on options and to start doing some covered calls. So far, they're paying off nicely. There you go. And my channel, you can see my lessons on my website now. There's 4 lessons just on options. Well, 3 are up, 1 coming this evening. And this weekend, we've got a couple more classes coming up. So we're going to be busy. Get ready. What can I say? Wow, let's see. Keep those donations rolling in, says Texas. Absolutely, I agree with that. 15.14, down 2 cents on SoFi. GameStop 190.06 right now. A little pause in the action. ATIP is down only 8 cents now. 7.73. We're coming back to the lucky number of 7.77. Here we go. We got him coming in here. GameStop is plummeting. You will lose your money. Oh man. Yep. What can I say? There you go. There we are. $190.35 on GameStop. $41.86 on AMC. Gore's down 3 cents. Coming on again. Where else we got? Sending mine to Dana. The rockets are coming through here. We're going higher. We're going to go higher. Buy more GameStop. Okay, 190.30 on the GameStop. It's coming on for sure. Who the hell is this clown? I mean, who is this guy? Yep. What can I say? 190.30. Waiting to see if there's more trading and going higher. ATIP down 8. SoFi down a penny. Gore's down 3 cents. They're all kind of right close. Here we go. This stream is trash. Come watch Pudge 007. There you go. We'll let this guy move on. And then we have sell GameStop. Sell GameStop. GameStop is plunging. We'll get rid of him. There you go. And then we have any more? We're just following one after the other. 190.12 right now. There we go. 190.38. Here we go again. The Dow up 597. S&P up 73. Nasdaq up 274. Oil up 90 cents a barrel. We got a 2 cent drop on SoFi. 1688 gain on GameStop. Down 8 cents on ATIP. Up 724 on AMC to 4186. Gore's down 6 cents. 23andMe down 19 cents. Let's see. Oh no, that means more because it's on sale. I got to buy more. There you have it. I want Bruce to make $1,000 on spammers today. That's what I want Bruce to do. Make $1,000 on spammers. I don't know. Every time I think that every time I cancel one of these guys, I scored another $10 donation, of which I get 7. I'm not 100% sure, but I think that's how it's working here. Kind of thinking. Let me take a look now on these comments or on these. Yep, there's this one right here. Let's see if I can do this. I can go right here. I can go right here. I can go right here. All right. And we'll go right there. Okay, and then we'll go. Okay, let's see if that works. Yep. Okay, we'll do that, and we'll do this, and we'll do this. We'll try this again. Here we go. We'll do it this way. Okay. Just talking to myself, folks. Don't mind me. Okay, here we go. There we are. Reported. Gone. Well, reported anyway. Yeah, let's take a look at this. Holy moly macaroni. This moron. Okay, so that's 13, and then that's 26, and that's 39, 52, 57. I think it's 57 channels now on the day. I think it's 57. So I just got to go back now and find get back to them here. Get rid of these. 57, I think now. Yeah. And counting. Wow. Yeah, 57 channels or 57 memberships being purchased today and counting. 57 and counting. Wow. 190.09 on GameStop. Up 1660. Dow's up 589. And Pudge is a video game streamer. Interesting. Interesting. Yeah, if we don't get I don't get 50 trolls today. I'm gonna start playing. Yoko. 190.01. Oh my gosh. Goodness gracious. He's pleading with us. He isn't a troll. Bruce, GameStop plunged to 190. Oh no. Yep. Just got a call from my broker for redemption of shares for SVAC. It's kind of like it's your last chance to get out. What is this? You don't want to invest in a company that's just got hundreds of millions of dollars in capital and is making all kinds of money, do you? You want out, don't you? Buy one of my funds. Yeah, why don't we sell this stuff for $10 and then you could buy one of the mutual funds that I'm pushing. I have a quota with my manager. I have to sell so many units of my fund. Maybe you can do that. Oh my gosh. Anyway, you can have grandfather members in the chat. No, there's nothing I can do. This is not my chat. It's not this is not in my control. This is a YouTube thing. And you're members of my YouTube channel, which YouTube is coordinating for me. And this is part of the problem or part of the scenario. And what can I say? What can I tell you? It is what it is. And so, yeah. Anyway, there it is. People are paying as much as you are just for the right to send me one nasty message and then I delete them. That's an expensive message, but that's what's going on. At least 53 of them, I think. At least 53 today, I think. Wow, here we go. Here's another one. GameStop is falling rapidly. It's at 190.86, by the way. It just went up. There you go. Yeah. Okay. Trolling. Keep those thumbers going. Yep, 190.81 on GameStop, up 17.38. We're at AMC now, 41.56, up 41.71, up 7.09 on AMC. Gores just went positive, up 10 to 13.35. ATIP is only down 6 cents now. SoFi down 2. Fifth Wall still holding a gain of 4 cents, but backing off. IBM up 206 to 139.98. Dow up 579 today. And there you have it. We have 191.80 on GameStop. We are approaching a new high right now. The high was 192. We're approaching a new high. Here we go. You will lose everything if you don't sell your GameStop. There you go. Okay. Yeah. What can I say? Here we go. And there we go. Okay. Every time he does that, the stock goes up. You gotta love it. 191.03 on GameStop, up 17.54 today. What a nice day we're having on the GameStop shares. Up $7.16 on AMC, 41.78. It's having a good day too. Wow, this is beautiful. Down 2 cents on SoFi, down 4 cents on ATIP. It's at 7.77. Lucky sevens. We're back to lucky sevens on ATIP. Down only 4 cents on the day. And we've got Gores now up 8 cents to 13.33 right now. That's what we're showing here. We got the Dow up 5.89 right at the moment, folks. Yeah, what can I say? Yeah, you've made it as a YouTuber when people pay you to send you nasty comments. That's it. There you go. This guy's not exactly Tesla plaid quick, You lose everything if you don't buy GameStop. How about that? Oh, man. You lose everything if you don't subscribe to Bruce. There you go. The troll is some 40-year-old living with his parents. Stole his parents' credit card. You can't even troll right. There you go. I don't know. 191.46, 191.09. We're jumping around a bit here. We're looking great. We've got 17 minutes to go in the day. What a day for GameStop. What a day for the markets. Up 587 today. Wow, this is fantastic. We're unchanged on SoFi. We have battled back to the break-even line on SoFi. How about that? 191.66 now. Boy, oh boy. Yep, one little move at a time. We're up 18.20 now at 191.69. We are 31 cents away from the high of the day right now. Getting ready for another high print or another high shot. Going higher. 191.72. 192.10 new high. 192.10 new high right now. Up 18.61. 192.10. Is the new high of the day. How about that GameStop? Wow, I just got more GameStop, says Drew. That GameStop's got grit. 191.79, 191.86. Woohoo! What a day. We're down a penny on SoFi. We're down 4 pennies on ATIP. We're up 766 on AMC to 42.28. What can I say? 57 channels times $7 for every $10 membership is 9,186,457.46 dong. That's a lot of dong, Uncle Bruce. You know, I need the dongs. I need dong, man. I need lots of dong. Right on, man. This is fantastic. We're trying to go for 200, they say. Now that you're rich, are you going to be donating to what's my favorite dong charity of the year, maybe? 191.63. Let's go, GameStop. 57 channels, and there's nothing on GameStop. That was easy. 191.69, up 18.20 a share today. 42.22 on AMC. 760 is the gain today. This is right near the high of the day on 147 million shares of AMC. There we go. We got another one. GameStop is falling rapidly. Apparently, I hadn't heard. I hadn't noticed. I hadn't seen that. Kind of weird. I would have thought I would have noticed that, but I haven't noticed that. That's kind of weird. Okay. Wow. 191.68. 50 cents away from a new high. Woohoo! Isn't that something? Shun the non-believer. 163.50 was the last time I bought this stuff. I guess for now I got enough. 163.50. This is pretty good. 191.71, 191.90. We are 192. We're 18 cents from the high. 18 cents from the high. 192 on your GameStop. We're going higher again. 14 minutes to go. Let's see. Dave Queenan, Uncle Bruce, there should be a lockout setting for new members. I know there's a 24-hour hold setting, but don't know how any more specifics. I figured I'd throw $10 your way. Dave, thank you, buddy. I appreciate it. You know what? What are you going to do? 192.22, new high. We're going high. It's falling up to the sky. GameStop is falling to the moon. It's falling all the way to the moon. Oh, my. 192.01. Go, GameStop, go. What can I say, kids? It is what it is. It's doing what it's doing. Wowee. What can I say? Yeah, that troll is slipping Bruce a lot of dong right there. 191, 192.03, 192.15, 192.35, new high. Another new high. 192.35, new high. 1876 gain right now. Dow is up 570. Plummeting to the stars. That's right. What could I say? 192.57 now. Another new high. 192.58, another new high, up $19.09. And look at AMC up $8, 806 to 42.68. Gore's up 11 cents now. Fifth wall up 4. IBM still only up $1.90. 192.78, another new high. We're going higher. Hit even touched 193 a moment ago. How about that? Don't run with chopsticks in your nose. You could have a splitting headache. Is that the word? You could get a splitting headache. Wowee. 193 for the high of the day here. Volume on GameStop now, 2.6 million. Nothing. It's nothing. It's moving up $19 on 2.6 million shares. Wow. AMC up 821 at 42.83. Gore's up 11 cents to 13.36. We have 12 minutes to go in the day. What a run. What a run. We're going higher. It's going higher, kids. Right now, the stock is going higher. Unbelievable. Yeah. No gravity here. Plumbing to the surface of the moon. Nee. Yeah. What can I say? We're going higher. Amazing. Okay. Yeah, there you go. Okay. There's no Sherman around this time to tank the stock. So I definitely don't sell any if it hits 300 this time. Here we go. Sell GameStop while you can. There's the wise words from our you know what. Okay, wise comments. What can I say? Let's see here. There we go. 193.02, new high, going higher. We're going up again. We're going up again. Oh my goodness, we're going up again. 192.98, 193. We're going higher. GameStop and AMC are both running right now. AMC 42.92 up 8.30. GameStop up 19.95 to 193.44. 193.59. It's up $20. $20 a share is the gain now on GameStop with 11 minutes to go. What a run here. Woohoo! It is going, baby. What can I say? It's crashing all the way to the moon right now. 193.33, 193.57. It's right at its high right now, up 20.08, 193.57. The high of 193.59 today. Wow, man, that's something. And then AMC 43.20 up 8.58. How about all that? Yeah. There you go. There you go. Buy GameStop, buy GameStop, buy GameStop. 194. Let's go, go, go. Here we have it. There we go. Sell GameStop while you can. Another safety tip here from our little friend. Another safety tip from our friend. Oh, my. Oh, boy. Yeah. How about that? GameStop, 193.03, 193.34. The high of 193.59, if I am correct. Yep, that's the high of the day. And ATIP earnings on Monday. Fingers are crossed. When does SoFi's next earnings report come out? In August, August 12th, something like that. And let's see. Let's go. Sold GameStop. Let's see here. I need SoFi to kind of move like GameStop right now. I agree with that. I wouldn't mind that a bit myself. 192.93 right now. A little respite at the moment with 9 minutes to go in the day. Wow. Where's the super chat, says Texas. That's what he's wondering. Can you ban the GameStop troll Uncle Bruce? He's spamming up your chat. I ban him on every message he makes, but he creates a new channel and then he makes a new message and I ban him. Then he creates a new channel. So he's buying memberships. He's buying a $10 membership and I ban him. Then he pays another $10 and I ban him. So it's over 55 now. $550 he spent to do this today, to this channel. Crazy. What can I tell you? I have to say, as annoying as it is, Bruce is handling it, quite well. Here we are. Here's another one. So we'll ban him here, and he's gone again. That's another $10 that cost him. There you go. Grace and patience. Thank you. Raise your membership fee. Well, I don't want to do that to everybody else. I mean, I'm just just go along here, see what happens. Yes, SoFi earnings August the 12th. There we are. There's the announcement there. SoFi earnings August the 12th. Okay. So you're getting spammed for brilliant. You're getting paid for spam. Yes. I get $7 of the $10. YouTube gets $3. I get $7. So every time he does that, I actually get $7 US. Yeah. And being in Canada, that's like 1,000 Canadian dollars. That's huge. I mean, it's like a month's rent up here. Seven American dollars is just unbelievable amount of money. Flying Dreams, Flying V Dreams. Welcome, new member. How you doing? How's it going? I don't know. I don't know what the record is. I have no idea. But I wouldn't know that. 193.03 again. 192.72. Is GameStop going up again? Is it coming for another run right now? Let's see what happens. AMC 44.74 up 9.12. That is the high of the day. Wow, up 9.20 on AMC. 193 now on GameStop. We're coming on again. GameStop is going to pop up as well because AMC is just popping to 43.82. It's going. We're down to 7 minutes here. Wow, this is something else. Let's see. We're having fun here. 193 now on GameStop. We're only 59 cents away from the high of the day. 193.05, 193.13 coming on, up 19.64 a share and climbing. AMC 43.81 up 9.19 today. 193.03 on GameStop. What a run we got going here. What can I tell you? Thanks, guys. You betcha. Welcome to the channel today. Let's see. Yep. AMC. Anyway, there we go. What else is going on here? Just watching everything. 193.25 or 193.05. Getting close to that all-time high. The Dow's up 584, S&P up 72, Nasdaq up 262. And we're still rolling here. 1509 on SoFi, down 8 cents. 193.02 up 1953 on GameStop. 43.60 on AMC. Gore's up 18 cents now to 13.43. Wow, what can I say? I sold some $94 shares and $130 shares last week. I've been holding them for months. I'm both laughing at myself and crying. Let's see. SoFi should be green today. I agree, but it's not. It should be 1509, down 8 cents. Unbelievable. So oversold. Unreal. 193.04 on GameStop. 55 cents below the high of the day. We're right there with 5 minutes to go. Will we get another run on it? The Dow's up 606, powering up at the end. We might get another rush here on these markets. 43.30 on AMC, up 868. 193.03 on GameStop. What are we going to do at the end here? Wow, what a run. ATIP down 11 cents to 770. SoFi down a dime to 1507. Let's go. Troll me to the moon. Yeah, AMC 44, they say. 43.17 right now on AMC. High of the day was 44.39. 159 million traded on AMC. GameStop volume 2.78 million. That's not a lot. 192.33 right now. 588 on the here we go on the day. Hang on, I'm gonna get this guy out of here again. There we go. See if we got rid of him there. Watching all these comments and all the hate. What can I say? Well, paying me money to do it. What can I say? Let's see if I can get this done here. There we go. And there we go. And there we go. Okay, 192.59 right now. Boy. Rock and roll. We've got 3 minutes to go. 1505 on SoFi, down 12. AMC 42.78 up 816. Okay. Let's see here. Bill, we don't really know, except there's a lot of rumors out there. All kinds of rumors about splits, special dividends, all kinds of stuff. Where's your millions on SoFi? Show us. Briefcase full of millions. Oh, I hide that. I keep that in the bank. I've got safety deposit boxes everywhere. You know how it is. Bruce, is this true? Is it true? You've made millions dumping SoFi? Yeah. Oh, yeah. While I sit here, I twitch my eyebrow like this, and that's a signal for the guy over there. The guy's off camera. I have a stockbroker right over here. He sells all my stock for me. As I pump and dump him, he dumps them while I kind of nudge and wink and I twitch. Yeah, that's how I do it. That's how I do it. I'm slick. Oh, you can't tell. You can't. You think you can tell, but you can't tell. I'm that good. I'm that good at it. Yep. What can I say? I try, 190, 191, 92.18. What can I tell you? What a run here today. Wow. Loving it. 192.11. The Dow's up 581. Julian Sheets. Hi, Julian. How you doing, buddy? We had a good chat the other day, and welcome, my friend, to the show. I'm glad you're here. I'm not sure if this is a first-time membership or it's a renewal, but it's good to see you, pal. You're always welcome here. Let's see. I don't know why that is. That's a good question. I don't know why that is. That's a very good question. Henning, welcome, Julian. Yep. It's a renewal. Yeah, it's a renewal. Right on, man. I figured it much. 192.65 on GameStop, less than $1 away from the high of the day with a minute to go. Will there be a little pop at the very, very end or a little drop? 192.50 on GameStop at the very end of the day right now. 554 gain on the Dow right now. 42.90 on AMC, up 828. What a day. 192.21 now on GameStop. in the last few seconds of the day. We're getting ready for the final trade, the final bell ringing, and all that good stuff. Man, oh man, what a day. I think we're just about done here. 192.29 as we await the final print of the day. Yep. Uncle Bruce is Adam West, Batman villain. He has 2 henchmen called Pump and Dump that always screw up his evil schemes. Yeah, that's me. You figured me out. I can't hide anything from you people. You're too sharp for me. I think we're done. I think there goes the bell. We're all finished. The bell's ringing. There it is. It's all over, and we're done here. 191.66. I see here, up 18.22. What a day. I think that's the final print. Let's double check here. See if that goes through or not. There we go. 192.68. I'm showing as a final print. So. Watching the 192.68 final print of up 19.19 on the day for GameStop. That is the final print of the day with a 550 point Dow gain today. How about that? Wow, that's pretty awesome, man. Whew, that's something else, man. That's a stock that's crashing all the way to the moon, I think, all by itself. Volume 2.9 million. That's all. SoFi down 11 cents to 15.06. ATIP 771 down a dime. AMC at $43, 8.38 gain on AMC. Gore's up 16 cents to 13.41. 23andMe at 9.36 down 19 cents. Fifth Wall Acquisition up a penny, 11.03. Vector at 10.60 down 11 cents. Navsite Holdings down a penny. Starboard Value down a penny. IBM up $1.97 to 139.89. The Dow up 549 points today. When it's all said and done. What a day today. Unreal. Unreal today. Aftermarket on GameStop, 191.59 down $1.09 at the momento. AMC on the aftermarket, 42.99 down a penny. Final volume in AMC, 164 million. Yeah, very, very heavy day. Oh, heavier day than normal, than lately, let's say. Definitely than lately. So AMC is picking up, but it's not at 500 million, but it had a good day today. And this stock has not seen $43 a share for a while. This would be, let me see if I can get this to pop over here. July 12th was the last time the stock was in this neighborhood, July 12th. So that is 8 days ago for AMC. Last week, Monday, was the last time it was at this price. It's had a bad 8 days. Here we go. We've got Bruce making all kinds of money, pumping and dumping SoFi. See, I don't know how I ever got the stock in the first place, though. I've always tried to. I can't remember, how did I ever get the shares that I pumped and dumped, because I had to have them first before I could recommend you into them, right? So how did I get them and at what price so that I could dump them, right? And how am I so calm about it all? Like. I don't know. I'm pretty good. I must be really good. Anyway, yeah. What can I say? Thank you, I think, for all the dollars. Unbelievable amount of harassment today. Unreal. Lots of dollars of harassment, I have to say, though. That's true. A lot of dollars of harassment. Yeah. That's that was something today. Yeah. Here we go. Maybe this one right here. Just finding all these channels that we have to report. That's the only downside, is you have to do all this reporting to let YouTube know what a moron this guy is. But you got to do it. You gotta do it. What can I say? Wow. Yeah. And here we go. Here we go. Another one, and another one. There we go. Wow. Wowee. Yep. Wow. Amazing. Anyway, there you go. Welcome one, welcome all. Did you have fun today? Did anyone make money out there today? Some of your stocks did all right, I guess. GameStop in particular. Gore's a little bit. Could sure like to see a kind of a GameStop day happen to like 5 or 6 of the SPACs all at the same time. That'd be kind of fun. Anyway, yeah. Amazing. It is what it is. Let's see. Just checking to see if there's any more comments coming through. I have to worry about this guy. Wow. Okay, there you are. Ooh-wee. Yeah, amazing stuff. Anyway, yeah. Anyway, there you go, guys. Thank you. All your comments, all your kind words. Appreciate these. Thank you, everybody. Wow, right? Man. Okay, 190.50 on the GameStop in the after hours. We traded 16,000 shares. And AMC in the aftermarket is 43.35, up 35 cents right now. It's higher too. Gore's 13.41, still at 13.41 in the after hours. No trades yet, so not too much just to kind of report there. There you go. I can block the guy as soon as he makes a comment. I can block him. Then what he does is he creates a new channel, pays $10, makes a comment. I block him. He creates another new channel, pays $10, makes a comment. I block him. 55 times and counting today. 55 times. So each one $10, costing him $10. Anyway, there you go. Anyway, what do we got here? I saw a funny thing in the news in Malaysia. Authorities used a steamroller to destroy pallets of Bitcoin mining computer rigs they confiscated as part of a crackdown on illegal activities. That's not going to stop it, but whatever. Trying to bulldoze the hardware. Yeah, what can I say? JW, Bruce is making us rich on this channel. Yeah, what can I say? Oh, my. Yeah. Unbelievable. Okay. 45 more accounts, and he's in for a solid $1,000. $1,000 he could use to make money in today's bull run. But then again, here he is. Here's some more. GameStop is tanking. There you go. GameStop is tanking. Yep. There you have it. GameStop is tanking. There, just so you know. He wanted to make sure we all got that message. If he did this every day, Bruce would make $200,000 a year. Not bad. Bruce is on tilt. Oh, man. Now 56 times. He's donated $560 to you and thinks you're the reason why he's broke. Yeah, 56 times. He just needs to do 44 more, and I've got an easy 1,000 out of him today. That'd be great. What can I say?
Insanity. It's just insanity.
I could get 10 of these guys. I could make 10 grand a day. I mean, just think about that. I'd be doing a lot of clicking. Of course, if I didn't do anything, I'd just let the comments go and just let them go. I could just sit here, let them do that all day long and not react to it and just kind of go, yeah, 10 grand a day from these guys. I get 7 grand net.
And just pin the ones that you need to see.
Yeah, Jen could be the moderator. She could moderate these comments. Oh, God. I could just leave the channel on all day and not even sit here. I could just have a nap over there. You guys would just look at this all the time. And I'd put a stack of records on the record player. Let Yoko and a bunch of records play all day long. You could just listen to the music. And I could just have a nap over here and relax, and I'd be making 10 grand a day from 10 of these guys. This would be great.
I think you'd get slammed for copyright infringement.
So what? They're not going to take the super chats away. They only take the advertising away.
Oh yeah.
You can have the advertising revenue all you want. They don't take
But
the
if
super
you're a
chats.
recidivist, don't they just close your account?
I don't know, but on a record player, I don't think they can pick it up. It's not digital.
I don't know.
Seems to be the deal. Anyway, I don't know. Richie, thank you for this donation, Richie. Bruce, make one of our oldest member a moderator. It's time. Make one. It's too much fun. It's too much fun doing it this way. I'll tell you. Now maybe you could troll me through PayPal. That would be even better because then I would get $9.60 out of every $10. If you just, if you figure it out, if the guy could just figure it out to be a troller through my PayPal account, and just send me $100 at a time, it'll catch my attention. Just for fun, we should start a troll hour. All right, nothing but trolls for the next hour. Come on in, guys. Pay $10 each and give us your best insults. That would be fantastic.
It would be a new and exciting drinking game.
Oh, that would be a very exciting new.
You could pick particular words.
Indeed, a new exciting drinking game. Oh my gosh. Oh, lordy Lou. I don't know, man. I don't know. Doing the best I can with what I've got, and I haven't got a lot. I'll tell you. My. AMC on the aftermarket, 42.55 down 45 cents. SoFi aftermarket, 15.08 up 2 cents. Nothing to get excited about there. He's making up for our lack of donations. You see, there you go. He's taking the pressure off of you guys. Isn't that great? Oh my gosh. Troll spotting, says Drew. I don't know, kids. I don't know. 190.54 on GameStop in the aftermarket, down 214. It's crashing, like he said. It's crashing. There you go. See? Oh man. Here we go. Bruce is a crook and a criminal. There you go. Well, at least he got to the point right there, just right there.
Yet here you are.
And yet here I am. No cops show up at the door.
Well, not anymore.
He's not now. I don't know. Somehow I keep getting away with it. It's incredible. Oh man. Can you make Uncle Bruce laugh? Troll hour. Oh boy. Oh, excuse me. Wally's World is asking me, hi Uncle Bruce, how reactive are options premiums to the underlying stock price on up days? How about the possible? Oh, hang on. I got to get rid of this guy. Apparently I'm a crook and a criminal. So, there we go. How about the opposite, like on the opposite down days for weekly expiries, for example, on GameStop? Well, depends on how close to the money the contract is. If the contract is at the money, let's say this morning you were sitting on a 180 contract. You were watching a 180 call contract this morning. The stock started at 172, and it went up, to when it got to 180, and if it expired this Friday, it would have gone up in value a little bit, but not too much because it would have just kind of, it's now all just book value from here. But from 180 to 190, it may have only gone up about $4. It would have held, the rest of the value would have been the time value it had. And it, up to 193, it might have gone up another buck or buck and a half. So at 193.59, the contract would have been worth about 13, probably would have been trading at $15 to $16, I would think. At 190, it might be back now to 12. Just a hunch, 13 maybe. Hey, Dan Hammer, how you doing, buddy? Well, because 57 times now. Thanks, Dan. I appreciate that. You and Texas are my two biggest donators today, apart from the troll. Texas, I think, did a $100 donation this morning, which is pretty cool too. Thank you guys for all these. It's just fantastic. Jen and I love you. We love you for it. So these stocks. I mean, obviously the options will will go up. Here we go. Bruce lost me my money, says this guy. There you go. But not enough for him to keep not being able to pay $10 every time to make this message.
And I want to see the bruise on his arm where you twisted it and said, "Buy this."
Oh yeah, where's the bruise where I made you buy it? That's right. Yeah. Show me the bruise where I twisted your arm. All right, yeah. But apparently I lost you money.
Free will.
There it is. Yeah, yeah. Anyway. Oh my. Yeah. Oh, fun times today. Just nothing but fun times. Yeah. There we go. There we go. And here we are. Oh, another one. He forced his stocks on me in a dark alley. That's got to be 59 or 60 by now. That's got to be 59 or 60. Yeah. Oh, man. This troll's making Bruce's rent. Yeah. Bruce, I sold 3 GameStop, 192.5 calls, 1337 for July 30. I'll get automatically exercise tomorrow morning because we know it will. It goes above that. Not necessarily automatically. No, not tomorrow morning. Tomorrow's only Wednesday. So you could be, it might not happen right until the Friday itself. It could go right up to the end. So stand by, if the shares pop up a little bit tomorrow morning and then have a dip down to the 180 range, you might buy these back for like $4 or $5 and then sit back, let the stock go back up again if it wants to. Goes to 200, write 210s for next week. Say thank you very much. May have another. You might play that game. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. The troll is using all of his profits that you made him. See? Yeah, it's like the troll is paying you to complain about losing money. It's like reverse. Quit hitting yourself. Yeah, I maybe this guy actually likes you and he's just shy and he's had a hard time expressing his emotions. Maybe I got a new boyfriend. I don't know. He can't help himself. He's addicted to the bagel. More like addicted to the dong. anti PC. Oh, now. Oh boy, I don't know. I had a 2 bagel day today. I'm just trying to catch up here. I've had 2 bagels today. 191.05 last trade in the aftermarket, down 13 cents on 32,000 shares. That can't be right because we closed at 192.68. So I don't know what's going on. It's weird. It's just weird. Okay. Is he really paying $10? We think so. Yeah. I'll know tomorrow. My stats will come out tomorrow and I'll see them and I'll know. It'll tell me how many new members I got yesterday, how much membership money came in yesterday. And if it's out of whack, I'll know why. Yeah. Bless you, Jen, says Blair. Bless you, Jen. There you go. Oh, Lord. Gesundheit, Jen, says Mirko. Let's see. She's got some headphones on. She's listening to something right now. Yeah, Gesundheit from Splair TV. Texas says, I'm here for a few more minutes, Bruce. But I'd like to. I would say you did pretty good on donations today. Well, you didn't hurt a bit. Your $100 donation was pretty handy. Then this $57 donation and all of this troll activity today. That was crazy. I wasn't expecting that today. That was wild. Yeah, I don't know. Weird. It's just weird. Anyway, there you go. Is Jen feeling okay? Her hand looked a bit pale this morning. She heard that. Confess, Jen, That troll is you. Come on. You're just doing it to get us riled up for Uncle Bruce. That's what you're doing. It's an in-house job. That's what it is. You see? Yeah. Oh, gosh. Oh, boy. All righty. Oh, boy. Oh, pardon me. I am just dying here. Hanging on by a thread. Working hard. Thank you, all of you out there who've been going to my website. Thank you for visiting stockmarkerswithbruce.ca. A number of you have been picking up the courses, been watching them, and appreciate that very much. Netflix is down over 3% after earnings miss estimates. Dead money on Netflix stock. It's dead money. There you go. Interesting. Netflix down, not hitting the numbers as expected. And how did we do that? How do you do Netflix? Is it FX Flix? Netflix? I have no idea. NFLX, Netflix, closed at 531. It's now trading at 523. So Netflix is off 780 a share, but it was lower. It was down to 500 for a bit. It took a real dump there. Let's see what's going on. Yeah. Let's hope this guy did a recurring automatic membership renewal, and so every month is $500 and whatever dollars every month. That'd be pretty cool. Yeah, that'd be cool. Careful, troll may have Netflix shares. Then I'll be blamed for that. 523.01 right now on Netflix. Okay. Yeah. Oh, well, poor Netflix. International Business Machines, 140.18 up 21 cents in the aftermarket. What a crazy day. 138.70 up to 144.90 today for the stock. Closed at 139.97. I was sure it was going to close in the 140s, 142, 144. I figured I would do that. Didn't do it, unfortunately. What are you going to do? SoFi up a penny in the after hours. Well, SoFi just defies reality. Doesn't want to go where it's supposed to go. It should be going to $30. 1507, 49,000 traders. But when it goes, it'll go. When it goes, it'll go. Oh, man. Anyway, what are you going to do? It is what it is, and that's all it is, folks. GameStop. There we are. GameStop, 190.83 down 36 cents. There you have it. All right. Hey, Uncle Bruce, are the November 21st 1250 calls still okay? I have 150 of those. I'm assuming it's SoFi or it's Gores, 23andMe, ATIP. It's one of those. You're okay. Uncle Bruce, you're the best. Thanks, John. And he's using a pay-as-you-go phone he stole from Walmart. Splair, have a good night and good rest, everybody. Let's see. I'm so glad I rolled my IBM 142 calls to this Friday. Got them sold when it hit 144. Excellent job. Nice job. There you go. Let's see. Do you know about the SoFi lockup thing on SoFi? No, you want to tell me? Do you know it? Thanks, Brent. Sold SoFi puts 15 for 345 on 112, 120, 122. Doesn't that seem like a no-brainer? So you got paid 345 to buy the stock at 15. So you're gonna buy it at, if you get it, 1155. No-brainer. That's a no-brainer. Yeah. You would think Ken Griffin would have more to focus on today instead of trolling you. IBM is up 14 cents in the after hours. Nothing going on. Just so quiet, unfortunately. 191 on GameStop. Back to 191. Yep. Dan, Bruce, you and Jen have a good night. Breast of trolls. Apparently they're profitable. Thank you, Dan. Thank you, Dan, for your donation today. Really appreciate that today. You're a good man. Thanks for everything, everybody. Oops, thumbs. And has the troll played for classes yet? I haven't heard. Don't know. We've got 503 thumbs ups. Stand by for the class announcement tonight. There'll be an announcement coming out to members only tonight about classes this weekend. We've got we're setting the 2 classes up for this weekend right now. So just stand by. Not too long from now, you'll get announcements for members only. You will get announcements, okay? Anyway, I'm going to pack it up. Thank you for being here today and enjoying the fun day. What a day on GameStop. We'll take that gain. 1769. Oh, we'll take 10 of those in a row. 10 days like that in a row, anytime. Sure. Thank you, everybody. Thank you to the troll. All that money. Thank you. That helps. And thank you, all of you, for defending me against the troll. I appreciate that, too. Have a wonderful evening, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow at 8:30 in the morning, and let's see what's going on. Let's see what we can make some more money tomorrow. We'll get all these other stocks to go up with us. How about that? Okay. Thank you, everybody. Take care and have a good evening. See you, Uncle B. You got it, T-Bone. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.